Oh, there's my glove.
Alright, so let the guys come on up, guys. Wait for the guys.
All right, coming through, coming through.
Wait for Alan.
Gotta let the old man get through here.
The experience, man.
I'm gonna stand right where you're standing.
Yes, go for it.
Okay?
Hey, 3 points. 3 points, Garrett.
Okay. Okay, we got everybody here. Let me get over here so I can stand up and put my pack back on.
Alright, guys, pay attention.
Alright, guys.
All right, let's listen up.
Are we this one?
Okay, this is a small room, but this has the passageway we came in. There's a passageway that way. We're not going there. Okay, because that is very, very small. Gets down to about this big. Okay, we're not doing that. There's a passage here that goes on that side of that wall.
I found a passage over here. Down through this crack thing.
Yeah. Well, that one loops around and comes up through that crack.
Blue.
So
Why is there blue?
it's but it's really, 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 really tight.
Why is there blue?
Alright, listen.
Spray paint.
Oh.
There's another passage over there somewhere. It's pretty tight. Then there's a passage here, which is not so tight. And we're going to go this one. Okay?
Up top.
Yeah. So there's 2 ways to get there.
Will we have changed this to a more tighter once? Or are those
Well, yes.
My mom is like.
My mom's kind of old.
There's 2 ways to get up there. Okay, one way is to go underneath this rock here, okay? On the other side of this rock, not all the way back, on the other side of this rock here, you pop up, climb up here, and go up this crack here until you get to the top, and you can just stand up there, okay? And wait for everybody else, okay? They're big rocks and they're slippery, so you gotta be very, very, very careful. The other way is to go up.
Guys, listen.
Listen.
The other way is to go up on the outside where you put right foot, left foot, then swing your right foot over to here, and then go up, and you hold on to this and this right here.
Yep.
That stump. And keep your body over top of your feet to go up. So you can pick whichever one you want to do. I'm going to stand here and spot you guys going up on the outside. Going in underneath this rock, you don't need a spot, but on the outside, you have to have a spot. Okay? All right, so go ahead. It's not that tight.
Go on 18.
Pretty big.
Wait, so it's the right side? Yeah, like
You're under, if you go under that
pop
rock.
up right on the other side. I'm gonna go under. I'll
Okay.
look for Garrett
Yeah, I'm
though.
gonna watch you go under.
Yeah, is it right foot? Left foot?
Whichever way's the tighter way. Is
Okay.
More fun.
No, don't underneath that. It wasn't that bad. I did
It wasn't quite it, but that's okay.
Yeah. I saw.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Go ahead. Anybody else want to do outside?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
I'll probably go outside.
I'll do outside. What's
Can I
outside?
see
Randy, you
really?
should probably do the inside.
No, I'm going outside.
Is the right foot?
Alright.
Yo, inside's more
You want to
fun.
use
I
your
think
right
the
foot
inside's
here.
more fun for you, dude.
Because you're going to get your feet twisted.
It's
Fine, I'll do it.
okay.
Like you did. You
You
got
get to go up under this rock, where this
Left
you're just
foot
kind of on
here.
the face of this big slippery rock.
Okay, I got your foot.
Inside?
And then you put your
Go under. Go
right
under.
foot
That
there.
doesn't work outside.
Go under. Yeah.
Okay?
Go in it, not on top of it. Okay. Before I fall, slip my butt and
That's it. That's it. You got it. Keep on going.
There it is.
Forward. That's it.
Wait, Cole, let
Right
Mr.
on top of
Lee
your
go.
feet.
Trav, let's
Very good.
go minimum.
Huh?
Let's keep the groping to a minimum there.
Why?
It's
All right. You want to try this?
wasn't our training.
Okay, right foot here.
He's the leader. I'd like to go
Left
back.
foot
then go back.
and right foot. Okay?
Come on.
You signed up, Dad.
Oh my gosh.
If you want to go,
There. There, hold up until he goes.
Oh, I see how that's going.
I'm not doing
Oh, hey,
that.
Alex.
Give them all
You
time.
stay away from the edge, okay?
Yeah. Am I good?
Let's see it.
Hi, Todd.
Go ahead. Yeah, go
Todd,
ahead.
you're, oh,
Yeah,
you're
you're
going
good.
on
You're
auxiliary?
good.
Why's your side leg?
Why is your side light on?
Very
Okay.
good. Like
Can you swing your right foot up over to there?
Try clicking it 3 times.
I'm just gonna wait for this.
There. That's it, that's it. Your body over top of your feet. That's the way to do it. There we go. Just like that.
You know what I'm gonna do?
You look at my leg and
Okay, let's wait till he goes. You're next. Yeah, there's a hole in the wall right behind you. That makes an excellent foothold.
They're young enough, they don't.
Yeah, they can just bounce up, right?
It's tight.
Yeah, bounce back. It is pretty tight. How tight?
Here it squeezed through.
I'm not Gary. That's what I'm trying to assess it for myself.
Just hold it for a minute. Just wait till we get everybody moving. And then we will do this.
What's through here? Can we get there from here?
Not quite. Eventually you'll meet up, but not, well, a lot further down. That's on the other side of this big rock.
wait, shine the
Yeah.
bright. Where's Tom?
Oh, that gets
Shine
tight.
the bright.
That's very tight. Your helmet will fit.
We'll have to roll over here. My helmet fits the rest
Alan, has this place changed much in 20 years?
Hey, look, it's cold. Oh, that's
Pretty much the same.
Maybe a little drier than it used to be. Used to be really wet. Okay, there we go. There, there. That's it. Your body's over top of your feet. Very good. Very good. All right. Who's next? Oops, sorry.
I'm going where everyone else
Okay, you want to back up a bit.
Everyone's going one of
Get
two
your
ways.
get your right foot up on there.
Nope.
There, your left foot.
I'm making sure everybody does this
Okay.
safely.
Now behind you, there's a shelf you can push up on. There you go. That's good. That's good. There you go. Okay.
How's it up there?
Who said that? Oh, hello, Lincoln.
How is it?
What's that way? Wait,
Very good. Okay. Anybody else doing the outside?
I want to do that.
Okay.
I'm doing the inside.
I don't know which way I'm going, but
Okay. I'm gonna wait till everybody gets up, and then I'm gonna get up.
This part looks.
Found a little piece of a tin can.
Oh,
This part looks easier.
we'll have to take that out. Take the trash out. Just throw it in a pocket.
I do not feel safe whatsoever.
do not feel safe. Owen, how are you doing, buddy?
Good.
Yeah?
First game of experience. Oh, and tell me what you're going to say.
What is your clock? Get your parents to come on.
They should have locked in a closet for a few days.
Desensitization? Phobia of flaws. Why I run around my house? Do my work.
Wait a minute. Then claustrophobia. Isn't that the fear of Santa Claus?
A lot of kids have that.
Yeah. Okay.
Sounds right to me.
It is
Got that, buddy?
Very good.
Good using that opposing forces. Smart. Great.
He helped me on little stuff.
I'm gonna try going under here. I know it. I mean,
Either way works. I prefer the outside because you want to try the outside? Okay, because then I don't have to stoop down so low.
yeah. Well, that's my thought is if I'm stupid now, I'll do it now.
Yeah.
And see how I move.
See how that works.
Yeah.
All right. All right. There. There. That's it. Just slam into that, and then there you go, all the way over. There you go.
You need a spot then. You need a hand up here.
No.
You good?
Hey guys. Yo, like you kind of turn.
Yo, Mr. Guzella, want to see my turd? That's a pretty small. Put it in your pocket. It's not a real turd, it's just mud. You sure? I think. It looks like a turd. All we teach
Now where we go? Back there? I'll go down there.
Kind of a little turd.
The one that's quite tight, wasn't it, Joe?
Some
You
mud.
found
The
the
one
turd?
where I had to shimmy through my shoulders?
You found one.
Laurel, that was the last wild cave.
But which one did we go to last? Was it
You
the
talking about the wild cave?
Here it is.
One of the big
Wild
mighty
cave.
cat.
We have the
That's
turd.
like a partially.
There.
That
We
was
have
like
the
my first year.
turd.
We got
I
some mud?
can't wait. Please,
Yeah, that was wild. That was really
I
bad.
know I can't. That's.
That was that one here. Yeah, that was one around here. That was one that you called birth canal when you're coming out. You basically had to walk through.
Oh yeah, they called it the birth canal. Your shoulder.
They called it that.
Even I was messed up. My shoulder was not intrusive.
Yo, I hear the sniff the turd.
I just think
That was my
I didn't quite
That was
smell
like
the
right
turd.
when Eli.
Well,
No, that was like my first or second.
Hold on, let me see. That's the
I
turd.
wanna-
It's not a turd, it's mud.
I want to get over there.
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
that's
mud.
it. It's mud than
Trevor was here, he's actually college. What I like mud.
It's mud than.
The last one's very big though. That Laura was big. We did go back behind.
Yo, when I cover my light.
Oh, you don't think that? Like even when we went, it's like the jungle party. It was still pretty big though.
Yeah, like
Yeah, no, I see. There's a big hole. Yep. I could lose my.
Yeah, gotta watch the holes.
Yeah, I see it. I see
You can go
it.
back there if you want to. Some people went back there.
Going down doesn't mean you're going to be coming back.
Actually, the first game was pretty cool because there's like a little spiral thing down.
All right.
We
Down
found the
here.
Like a
turd.
little room.
Which way are we going? This way?
Eventually, yeah.
We
I
found
want to make sure that everybody's
Aaron's wiping the turd on his.
All right, guys, listen up down.
How's everybody doing?
Everybody got their buddy?
Yeah.
Any issues?
No, except my boots are very slippery.
They're going to be.
Ow, here, shove your foot.
Yo, I hear the sit on it.
Okay,
Gary, you can sit.
listen up.
Guys, listen up.
From this room, there's several passages from this room. We didn't go that far. Right behind you guys, there's a hole down in the bottom of the floor there. That goes on the other side of this big wall here. Eventually, it leads to a small room that has a chimney about this big around and maybe 6-7 feet high. Okay? It's a bear to get out of. We're not going to go that way because I'm not going to push everybody up that hole. There's a hole here, and that slides down and goes on the other side of this wall. Okay, and goes all the way down. Both of these passages meet up down here with this one. Okay, but we're going to go down this way, and we're going to go down here. Now, when we get down here, listen up. Listen how you're going to do this. This crack that goes down this way, as you look to your left, the wall to your left, at about foot height, there's a horizontal crack in the wall that goes down pretty far. You're going to put both toes in that crack, and you're going to lean against the other wall and shimmy sideways down the crack. Now, it's not that high up. It's only like 2 feet up. Eventually, we're going to get down to a point where you can just step off onto the floor. Okay? But for now, we're just going to do that. I'm going to go down first so I can get pictures of these guys goofing as they're trying to do this and go, what am I doing?
Just wait until you guys have room.
Let us know.
All right, here we go.
Alright, good, Garrett.
Take care of the person that's behind you.
Yeah. Gary's pretty,
Okay? Just like I am. Toes in that crack, and lean against the other wall. And we're going to go sideways.
Oh, this is pretty unique. Did the owner like carve this whole in?
Nope. This is all natural.
This is a natural cave, bro. Come on. Come on, Blondie. You gotta know that.
And you just step down here.
Oh my god, that's so scary.
Step down.
Oh my goodness.
Onto the
If
floor.
you fall, it's piranha-filled waters. So don't fall. Oh, I see.
Take care of the person behind you.
Too late to turn back. Oh, I ran into another group. I want to go through a tight, like, little, like, butt shape. We going down there?
You want to?
Can we go through, like, a little...
No, wait for your buddy before we go down there. Take care of the person behind you.
Why'd you push me?
Yo, you guys good?
Don't go down there yet. Okay, come on up. I'm gonna wait till we get
Deep
everybody
breaths,
down here.
okay? Deep breaths.
Brandon, why are you pushing me, dude?
Alright, we have to pack in.
Yeah, you can come all the way around here. The other side.
Probably can, yeah.
Take care of the person behind you.
Oh! Oh my nuts! Oh my nuts!
Can we do some exploration down there?
Mm-hmm.
Is there
Like
like
right now,
some...
can I tap it down?
Oh, I racked my
Not right
nuts.
now? Right now.
Just wait up.
Alright.
Come on in
Come
and
back
around.
here,
Oh.
little T. I thought of a good idea. Oh my
Oh, I
god.
see another crack right
My
there. That's
coverall is
awesome.
just... Do you think there's any parts of the cave that are shaky?
I'm trying to go through
Like
the
a-
tightest,
like an
slimmest part of the cave.
Yeah, like the like I want one that's like feels like I'm like crawling into like
Bro, I didn't jump down.
We'll see.
I can't get down.
Somebody go take care of him. Who's in front of this guy? Guys, who is in front of this guy? Gotta take care of the person behind you.
Gotta put him behind you.
Who's the last person down?
Got it.
Who's the last person down?
See?
Take care of the person behind